I'm Dr. Matthew Glaudeman, and in this video we're going to be talking about the value of your name. Now, when I started out as a doctor, there was this kind of funny colleague of mine. He used to get like chest pain if a patient said they had chest pain, or like abdominal pain if a patient had abdominal pain. And one of the things he said to me, kind of as a joke, but he meant it too, was trust no one. And I kind of asked him, like, what do you mean by that? He said, like, look, your signature means something. So if you're signing something, make sure that you believe what's going on is right. Don't just trust everyone implicitly. It doesn't mean like slow up constantly, but it does mean that you need to make sure that whatever you're putting your name to, this ID badge doesn't matter as much as what you're signing your name on for. That's your integrity. That's what you believe in. I've been caught a few times like looking up doses of things by colleagues, like consultants on the ward, like if they asking me to prescribe a drug I'd never prescribed, I'd look it up on my phone and say, why are you on your phone? We're in the middle of work. And I said, I'm looking up this dose because I've never used this drug before. It's not something I've commonly come across. I want to make sure the dose is right. They're like, the dose is right. I'm like, yeah, but I'm signing my name, so I got to make sure, and the next time I won't have to do this. And they respected that. And then another colleague, similar situation, they told me 400 milligrams for a drug, and I thought it was micrograms, which is a huge difference. So I looked up on my phone. They're like, what are you doing on your phone? I said, look, I heard you say 400 milligrams. I thought it was micrograms. I was double checking. They're like, no, micrograms, micrograms. And those little things can change outcomes for patients. So if you're not sure about something, especially early on, you're going to kind of develop and learn, and numbers stick in my head pretty well. So I didn't have to look more than once or twice for doses or drugs or things like that. But your name means something, and integrity, it's invisible, but it matters. It matters so much. So if you find that your name means something, if there's been people that have challenged you or pressured you to sign something you didn't feel comfortable with, I'd like to hear about it. Leave a comment down below.